I'm Laura, and if you're here, it's because you're interested to see how virtual reality can help the interior design process. So for forever, architects and interior designers, we have struggled to show and to communicate our design intents and our ideas from here and in our work to our client. And over the years, better and better software and 3D rendering and images programs have arisen, and they've gotten really, really good. One of the programs we use consistently, especially in remodeling and new construction, is SketchUp. It's a go-to for a lot of architects and interior designers. But what's really been exciting recently is instead of just showing the 3D to our clients, we're putting them in it. So without further ado, I'd like to show you from an example of a small remodel. It's an addition with a kitchen part of that process, and show you from the inside out. Okay, you ready? Let's do this. So here we are. We're about to cross the threshold into what was the old kitchen and the new addition. And if I have enough room, you can walk all the way around. Now you see that? That's my force field. So this is a SketchUp model, and it's basic SketchUp. I just transported myself. And we are right now in what was the old kitchen. We're 8-foot ceilings, and you can see the new addition is cathedral. So I'm going to stand here for a second and just explain. So this is basic SketchUp, using it for over 10 years. And right now our 3D experience is limited to just basic SketchUp, and we are working towards being able to go to a more realistic experience. But right now we are still thrilled that we can experience the design from within. So I'm just going to pan slowly around here so nobody gets seasick or anything. So for example, everything is into scale. And one of the things that we were discussing with the homeowner, for example, was how big, 36 or 42 inch round table. And this is a 42, and we were having them kind of walk around it, experience it. She wanted a built-in break front. They had a lot of things they wanted to put into this small space. And so we were trying to maximize everything. And so they were okay. They were okay with this size. And you can see, we pan around, you'll see that force field. That's just so I don't run in anything in my studio. That's going to be a small appliance armoire. And when we start a project like this with an addition, it starts with the architect. We designers, we don't do site plans. We do need the skills of an architect to be first person up. And we just love partnering with architects, builders, and contractors in creating a design team for our homeowners. So that round window was not original to the design. So the architects sent the preliminaries. We laid it out with the couple different kitchen plans. This is actually the final agreed on. We did another one, different layout. And they also didn't want to really look at the neighbors over there, that corner of the house. So they didn't want to really see the neighbors. They originally wanted a TV over the fireplace. That's not always the best solution. That should not be a go-to. And in this situation, when we were laying out the furniture, it actually worked better to put the TV on the wall under a transom. They were able to fit the sectional in. And also, they really loved that round window. It just kind of seemed like architecturally it needed it and to let some more light in, even though the architect had put the skylights in. That was the exterior wall there. So on that other side of that little round window is the existing hall bathroom. And we were taking its exterior window away from it. And what we did is we repeated the round window motif with the frosted glass. And so some of the light from this space can then flow into, penetrate into that hall bathroom. So the wife of this project really, from the get-go, said, I have a hard time visualizing. And when she was done walking through here, she just took this headset off and said, this is a game changer. I'm going to be sharing more and more videos and explain how we use it. The payoff is it's huge from both sides, the homeowner and our client and ourselves. So stay tuned. Glad you could come.